Hey, this is Jackie with West Coast Connects, and I just want to shoot you over the quick little video we were telling you about. I'm just going to go over a couple tips and tricks that you guys could do in-house that would help bring in more business using your lovely website and Google Business Profile. So I do have you guys pulled up for the ADT Restoration.com. So I see that you guys do roofing, gutters, siding, and then you have lots of different locations, which is great. There's so much volume to pull from. So I'll just kind of give you one example of a location that you guys could pull in and start getting more business from. So initially, one of my biggest suggestions for the site would be to add some more content on here. Basically just the words on the page that explain what you guys do, the services that you offer, and the areas that you offer those in. And you want to incorporate keywords that people are searching within the content, so that way Google knows to rank you, and they like to see in between 1,500 to 2,000 words, so that way the Google bots can stay on your site longer and start indexing you for more. And rather than having like when you're going to read more and it takes you to a whole other page, you want to keep at least that 1,500, 2,000 on the home page with interlinking involved as well from page to page and back to the home page. And then also with the images, you can save those as keywords, and that also helps to index for different search terms as well. So just for an example, I'm going to show you guys the rankings here that on a tool that I use called Ahrefs. So we'll look at the UR and the DR first. That is the strength and the trust that your site has with Google. So you guys are at 23 and a 0.4 for trust. And the way to increase this, which you guys have started implementing it, and I can see you have 709 backlinks coming from 147 referring domains or websites. If you're not sure what a backlink is, it's your website linked to another site that points direction back to you. But not all backlinks are the same or created equal. Some are spammy and some are more authoritative. So you really want to go after the backlinks that are more authoritative and are going to actually send power to your site rather than just do nothing. You guys are coming up for 580 keywords, and you're getting about 107 organic traffic to your site per month. So we take a look at some of the keywords that you guys are coming up for. You are in the first position for storm damage roof repair in Fayetteville. There are 90 searches a month for that. Storm damage roof repair Greensboro. There's 70 searches. You're in the first for that, so that's good. Metal roofing Greenville. There's 100 searches, and you're in the 7th position, so almost in the top 3. Let's see, some other buyer intent keywords would be like Columbia, South Carolina hail damage roof repairs. There's 60 people a month that look that up. You are in the 8th position. Roof repair Johnson City. There's 60 searches. You're in the 9th position. So that's just kind of an example of some of the stuff that you guys are coming up for. The rest of it, you're kind of sit in the back 40 of Google. So if we look at, say, Fayetteville, North Carolina, for example, if you just Google roofing company, and what comes up first are the Google guaranteed. So if you haven't gotten out to get Google guaranteed yet, it's really, really helpful. It will help save money when you're running ads and just really bring in a lot of business quickly. And then what comes up next is the map pack, which it's so imperative to come up in the top 3 in the map pack here. You're going to get about 30 to 40% of traffic clicking on your website or clicking to call you straight from here. And a couple ways to start moving up in the rankings for this would be to go out and get as many reviews as you can, post branded photos weekly, post photos that are geolocated weekly, make sure your full 750 character about us is completely filled out. All the information is completely filled out on there, and the same across all boards, all your social media, everything. Connect your social media profiles to your Google business profile as well. So that's all things that would help you boost your rankings in this. And then the next is the organics, and the top competitors are Baker Roofing and Advanced Roofing Solutions. The rest is just like Home Advisor and Yelp, which these are pretty easy to outrank. Google loves local, so if you start implementing these tactics, you can start moving up above them. So if we take a look at Advanced Roofing real quick, at their site, they have a, get a free estimate. They have a click to call here, a little bit more about, and then right here, this form to fill out is so helpful, especially being at the top, it helps to increase conversions. And then taking a look at the rest of the site, they really don't have quite as much content as Google does like to see, so that plays in your favor. So you would try to beat out the Fayetteville location on your Fayetteville location page on your website. And same goes for any location. You would do the exact same things that your competitors are doing, but beat them out and send those links to them. And then if we take a look at where they're sitting, they have a 21 and 26 for the strength and the trust. So pretty balanced, and you want to keep it moving forward because it is on a scale of 100. They have 230 backlinks coming from 66 referring domains. And so a plan of action for your Fayetteville location page would be to match the amount of backlinks that they have and beat them out by at least 100 and send that to that page as well as your homepage because you're wanting to constantly beef up the strength of your whole website. They are getting a little over 200 organic traffic a month to their site, and they're only ranking in Fayetteville. So if you're able to implement this for all of your locations, there's so much volume that you could reach out to and increase business in all of those locations. So for example, with Fayetteville, there's roofing companies, Fayetteville, 500 searches a month, another 250 here, 300, 200, 150, Fayetteville Roofing, another 100. So just in that handful of examples, there's a ton of volume. So once you start ranking for these keywords, a percentage of that total volume is going to go to your site, and then a percentage of that is going to give you a call or fill out a form, and then depending on your closing rate, turn into a customer. So lastly, I just want to touch on citations, and what that is, it's your business name, address, and phone number in things like Yellow Pages and Yelp, and there are thousands of those out there online, and you want to go out and give it to as many people as you can because Google is just a big popularity contest. So by doing that, they're going to start to trust you more, and it also helps your Google business profile as well as your website. So it's kind of a double banger there, and it's really going to help boost up both. So it's an excellent source that would benefit you guys. I absolutely love to hear you guys' feedback. I do hope this video was helpful, and you could always reply via email or give me a call. If there's anything else you'd like to see as well, just let me know. Thanks so much.